Gastac gas springs offer the peace of mind you need on the road. Gastac is a trusted leader in high-quality gas springs. Engineered with premium materials and advanced technology, our products not only meet but exceed strict OEM standards. We offer outstanding value by combining top quality with an affordable price. First, open the two hood latches. Secure the hood once it's up. Safety first. Locate the mount point. Press on the new gas spring and secure it with the nut. Then, repeat the same process for the other end, making sure to fully tighten the nuts to guarantee a secure, safe fit. Use a zip tie to neatly fasten the wire to the new gas spring, ensuring it stays organized and protected. Gastac provides a perfect fit and reliable performance for a wide range of makes and models, including Freightliner P3125. To complete your purchase, please follow the steps below. Of course, you can also contact us. Trust the parts that keep you moving. Gastac.